I'm outside and I am reading, so you'll hear birds, you will hear all kind of stuff. I'm sitting outside and I will turn you around. I am sitting outside in my little favorite spot where I like to read, plate passing above, so that's what you hear. I am reading this book right here. Today, what this video is about is this box. I got a priority box in the mail. I knew where it was coming from because I win it. Yes, I did. I didn't even know I was playing to win something, and I win it. This is the box. It has all the packaging. This was wrapped in some. This had some wrapped in. I already opened it and used it today, this morning, and it was well wrapped. I won something from Aged Graceful channel. Her name is Michelle. Go check her because she has a lot of good videos and it's for mature women. And if you're not mature, just go give her support for me. Thank you. What I win, because I didn't buy it, is an Allure box. She purchases the Allure beauty boxes and she wanted us to guess the price of this. I can't see anything, so I hope you can see. We all guessed on Sunday skins, and then in the end, she said, "Well, the person who guess the closest wins the entire box," and it was me who had the closest price. So, yeah. The back of me right here, you might see the back of my hair, back of everything, or even this, because this is mirrored for during the day. Let me show you what I received. Number one product is the Mielle Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil infused with biotin and encourages growth for daily use, scalp treatment, split end care. And this is this. Where's the camera? Am I upside down today? I hope not. This is it. It is It is 2 fluoride ounces. It also has the pamphlet of the stuff that you receive. It says the Mielle retail price is $9.99. So you can check it out. So this is our first item. This is the first item I win. The second item in there is Man Eater Attack Cosmetics Double Duty Beauty. It's the mascara, the Man Eater mascara, and it looks like this. Am I too close? I don't know. It looks like this. I guess I was too close. Oh, and thanks to Zelda who tell me how to do the camera. So I'm trying it. Thanks again, Zelda. In my comments of a video, she told me how to use that. Thank you. Okay, so this is the Man Eater mascara. It is black. And the price for that, the retail price is $25 for 3 ounces. It says it's lifting, volumizing, curling. This Allure Best Beauty Award winning mascara does everything a mascara could possibly do and does it well. See, the packaging is cute. It's pretty cute, purple, and it's leopard print. And it's purple leopard. The third item, which is the one we had to guess about and I won, that caused me to win the whole box, is Mud Mask. It says reduces dark circles, boosts moisture, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, firming, fragrance free, pH balanced, and it's 30 ml, which is 1.0 fluid ounces. The retail price for it is $63 for this. It said to use this Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. It's use a clean finger, gentle tap a little of the serum under the eye and over to the temple. So it's 63, so it must be doing some good. I can't wait to try it so I can see. Maybe just take away all the little fine lines I have. Hooray, hooray, wouldn't that be something? Then there'll be a line for this. The next thing is coats the healthier sunscreen, flawless complex tinted SPF 50 vanishing zinc oxide mineral sunscreen for face, body spectrum SPF 50, and it looks like this. Tiny little thing looks like this. Can I see myself? Yes. For the biggest size, the 2.5 ounces of this is $27.50. This is just a trial size. The fourth item I received in that box is Milk and Honey Nature's Original Dionys Goat Milk Skincare Hand and Body Goat Milk Cream moisturizing treatment for dry, thirsty hands and body. And this is what it looks like. Hopefully you can see it because I can see double because of the glass behind me. So I want to make sure you can see it. And the price for that, for the 3.3 ounces, this is 1 ounce, but for the 3.3 ounces, retail price is $12. So it has a seal on it. Let me see if the muddy mask have one. The mud masky, yeah, also have a seal. Okay, so they all have seals. That's very nice. So it doesn't spill and get into everything. So, okay, they are all sealed. My next item in there is #1 doctor recommended sensitive skin brand. Cetaphil Deep Hydration Skin Restoring Water Gel, Hydrosensitive Complex AH and Polyglutamic Acid. And this is 0.36 ounces. This is what it looks like. We're getting closer. I think I'm getting better at this phone recording. And the retail price for the 1.7 ounce is $27.99. Is it sealed? Let's see. Is it sealed? Ta-da! No. So 3 out of 4, these 3 are sealed and this one is not. So I think we're batting pretty good here. The last item in the box is Belief Aqua Bomb Overnight Lip Mask. A soothing, I don't even know if I'm recording. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Belief. It's interesting. I'm trying to see if I'm recording at the end of the video. Oh, Lord Jesus. Believe in Truth Aqua Bomb Overnight Lip Mask. A soothing lip mask for the night. Yes. A soothing lip mask to soften and moisturize lip. Yes. I'm reading from this. This is 0.1 ounce. So that gotta be a tiny. The box may be bigger than the container. And this is the container of Belief. Is it sealed? Is it sealed is the question. No, it's not, but it's solid. Doesn't have a scent to me. It says how to use it. Run a little over lips each morning on the lipstick or on its own, and at night to keep puckers smooth. Puckers smooth. Retail price was 0.7 ounces, $22. So this one, as I say, is sample, a trial size. It's 0.1 ounce. All right, this is the little Allure pamphlet, and it has everything in there: the prices, the description, what the stuff does. Pretty cool. I like that. So these are all the things I win. I won 1 Allure box, a whole Allure box. Allure, Allure, Allure. Like the French people say, Allure, 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 monsieur, Allure. Memories. So this is the Allure box, and these are all the stuff I won, including the Miel. Thank you all for watching. Please go check Aged Graceful. That's where I won that Allure box. And as always, remember, you are first. Take care of self And I will see you in another video. I'm going to read bye bye. See you all later.